Hi, this is Catherine, here with another tip for flourishing your career. This one is about not trying to make the perfect decision in your career. So I often find that the differentiator between people whose careers are flourishing and those who aren't is the speed with which they're able to make new career decisions. Now, this isn't about abandoning old decisions, but it's about making new decisions in the light of changes that occur in the career landscape that your career is playing in. So people with flourishing careers essentially are good at making decisions and then remaking decisions and then making more decisions and then making more decisions. They get this cycle of making a decision, learning from it, and then making the next decision in the light of what they learn. So no decision in your career is ever going to be the perfect decision. No one career decision that you make is going to create the perfect career, and that you're never going to have to make another career decision again. So the better you get at making ongoing career decisions, then the more you're going to enjoy your career. So there are a couple of basic rules that I talked with people about in terms of making decisions about career. The first is have a vision. Know where you want your career to be heading. Okay? Doesn't mean that that's where you'll end up, but the more that you actually have a longer term vision for your career, the more you have a framework for making the ongoing decisions within. Okay? But hold that vision lightly. I'll talk about that in another video. Make small, regular decisions about your career. Be making tiny decisions about your career at least on a weekly basis. So we can get caught in just working in our careers. Making decisions about our careers is working on your career. So look for decisions that you can make that are about working on your career, at least on a weekly basis. These, of course, will be small decisions, and let these small decisions accumulate so that you don't have big decisions to make in career. And also make good enough decisions. Don't hold off making career decisions looking for the perfect thing to do. There just never will be the perfect thing to do for your career. So make good enough decisions and then remake new decisions in light of what you learn from the forward momentum that comes with making a decision. What happens when you build into your career this ongoing decision making is that you create a sense of agency. You are the one who is in control of your career, and the more decisions you make in working on and in service of your career, then the greater the level of agency that you feel. Now, this level of agency makes it possible for you to feel more flexible and to be more responsive for the myriad of opportunities that are always coming forward in anybody's career. So this decision making creates a spiral of upward momentum. as opposed to a spiral of downward momentum that occurs when you are not making ongoing career decisions. When you are putting off decisions for your career, they grow in intensity. They become bigger than they actually need to be. And so that heightens the level of stress and anxiety that you have around making the decisions. So start small. Ask yourself, what's the tiniest decision I could make in service of my career today? Make that decision. Learn from it. Then make another decision. Then make another decision. Start to build your muscle of career decision making. And if you're unsure where you'd like to start, what I'd suggest is to jump on my blog. I've got lots and lots of articles around things that you can do, activities that you can do in service of your career. My blog on www.flourishing.com.au. So as always, wishing you a flourishing career. Bye.